Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create or join Snapchat groups. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Snapchat app and swipe right to access the chat page. At the top right corner, tap New Chat. Then tap New Group. So start adding friends to your group by tapping their name. After selecting your group members, tap Chat with Group. And that's how you create or join Snapchat group. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.